Hi everyone, welcome back. Before I jump into my video, today I want to introduce you to Homestead Tessie. Tessie is a very kind-hearted and a very sincere and sweet homesteader. You have to visit her channel. She's super kind, honest. She teaches you a variety of things on how to homestead, how to be frugal, how to cook, and how to do things from scratch as soap making, and moreover, how to treat each other kindly and how to love selflessly. I love Tessie, so please visit her channel and support her channel. Thank you so much. Now back to my video. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I wanted to share with you this amazing powder, the barkeeper's friend, and its various uses. You will be really amazed to see how this inexpensive powder can be used to clean various things. Stay with me for this video and you will be surprised. Thank you.